So we now continue with exercise 19.3. We are on the seventh sum now. So let's see the sum number 7. We have over here, draw the graph. You take 2 centimeter 1 unit, so the scale is already given to you. Now if at all the scale is given to you, you cannot use any other scale. The moment you use any other scale, then you are going to get the whole sum wrong. So अगर यहाँ पे दिया कि 2 सेंटीमीटर को 1 यूनिट लेना है और तुम लोग ने 2 सेंटीमीटर को 2 यूनिट्स ले लिया, then you are going to get the complete sum as wrong. So scale, if it is given to you, you have to maintain that scale in your graph. So that is the very important part. So let's see the thing. What you have got over here is, first thing is x plus y plus 3 is equals to 0. And second is 3x minus 2y plus 4 is equals to 0. So these are the two equations what we are having. You are going to plot 3 points and then write down the coordinates of the intersection point. Is exactly what we are doing up till now in the sums. And also measure and record the distance. One more thing over here was I missed out in one of the exercise 19.2 में एक particular question में area of the triangle पूछा था, तो वो रह गया last video में. The area of the triangle was asked. So if at all it is this way, that if it was like this and this is the thing, so you know that this distance is the length and this is the this is the height and this is the breadth. Accordingly, half into base into height, you'll get the answer for the area of the triangle. So for the area of the triangle, you are going to take, suppose this distance over here from the ये point जो है वो समझो 4 है और ये point जो है 6 है, तो automatically will be half into 4 into 6, that will be equal to 12 square units. So this is in exercise 19.2 sum number 3 and also sum number 4. They have given you this particular kind of question where I missed out when I did that sum. So anyway, you can note it down right now, and we continue now with the sum number 7 of exercise 19.3. So these are the two things over here. So first of all, we have that x is equals to minus y minus 3. So this is the required equation. So we have first one as if y is equals to minus 1. Okay, I'll take minus 1. So x will be equal to minus of minus 1 minus 3. So that will be equal to 1 minus 3 is equals to minus 2. Okay, that's the first thing. The second one is y is equals to 0. Then x is equals to minus 0 minus 3 is equals to minus 3. So that will be the second thing. And if y is equals to 1, then x is equals to minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. So accordingly, we have over here x, y and x comma y. X, if it is minus 2, y was minus 1, so it is minus 2 comma minus 1. When y was 0, x was minus 3, so it is going to be minus 3 comma 0. And when y was 1, this was minus 4, that is minus 4 comma 1. Okay, that was the first part. Now we move on to the second equation. So we can see over here that we can take 2y on the other side. So we can have over here 2y is equals to 3x plus 4. So y is equals to 3 upon 2x plus 4 upon 2. So y is equals to 3 upon 2x plus 2. This is the required equation. So we have the value of x now. So x will be equal to minus 2. So y is equals to 3 upon 2 into minus 2 plus 2. That will be equal to minus 3 plus 2 is nothing but minus 1. So that will be minus 1. The next is x is equals to 0. So y is equals to 3 upon 2 into 0 plus 2. That will be 2. So that's the second point. And x is equals to 2. Then y is equals to 3 upon 2 into 2 plus 2. That will be equal to 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. So we have the values over here. If x was minus 2, 0 and 2. Accordingly, the value of y was minus 1, 2, minus 1, 2 and 5. So this is minus 2 comma 1, minus 1. This is 0 comma 2 and this is 2 comma 5. Okay. From here itself, we know the intersection point. Okay, so not a problem at all. We are getting the right answer. So we plot the graph. So plotting the graph, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, x-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the y-axis, 2 centimeter is equals to 1 unit, and you got minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 as the over here. So first thing is minus 2, minus 1. Minus 2, minus 1 will be over here. Minus 3, 0 will be over here. And minus 4, 1 will be over here. So this will be the required line which will be given by the equation x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Drawing the arrows over here, very important. Don't leave that. Secondly, minus 2, minus 1, we already have this point over here. So that's the intersection point. 0, comma 2. So 0, comma 2 will be over here. Sorry, not here. It will be over here. Mistake. 0, comma 2 and 2, comma 5 will be over here. So this will be the required, this will be the required line like this, which will be on the equation as 3x minus 2y plus 4 is equals to 0. So you can get over here the intersection point. Intersection is equals to minus 2 comma minus 1. So minus 2 comma, that's the coordinates of the point of intersection is minus 2 comma minus 1 will be the point of intersection of question number 7. Clear? So that was question number 7. Now we move on to question number 9. Okay, we move on to question number 9. Use a graph paper for this question. Draw the graph for equation is 3x minus y minus 2 is equals to 0, and other is 2x plus y minus 8 is equals to 0. So take the y on this side, so we get y is equals to 3x minus 2. That's the direct thing. Over here you get y is equals to minus 2x plus 8, because we are taking this on this side. So minus 2x plus 8. Okay, these are the two equations. We take the values of x one by one. So if we take the first one, x is equals to 1 minus 1. So y is equals to 3 into minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 minus 2 is equals to minus 5. So we have over here x, y and x comma y. We can always make a table at the bottom and keep it ready. So we have over here as if it is minus 1, it will be minus 5. So it is minus 1 comma minus 5. The second one is x is equals to 0. So y is equals to 3 into 0 minus 2. So is equals to minus 2. So if it is 0, this is minus 2. So it is 0 comma minus 2. The third one is x is equals to 1. So y is equal to 3 into 1 minus 2 is equals to 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. So that will be, if it is 1, this will be 1, this is 1 comma 1. Now we see these ones, again the same thing. Now you can see over here, this is a positive 8. Now 8 being a very big number, I'll try to make this as negative as possible. So I'll take this as positive numbers. So I'll take the first one to be as 0. So x is equals to 0. So y is equals to minus 2 into 0 plus 8. So it will be still 8. So I don't want to take 8. So I'll take it as 1. So I'll take it as 1. So y is equals to minus 2 into 1 plus 8 is equals to minus 2 plus 8 is equals to 6. Okay, 6 is quite possible to plot, so we'll keep it this way. So the first point over here will be 1 के लिए 6, 1,6. Second one is x is equals to 2. So y is equals to minus 2 into 2 plus 8. That will be minus 4 plus 8 is equals to 4. So that will be 2 के लिए 4. So 2 के लिए 4, that will be our next thing. And then we take x is equals to 3. So y is equals to minus 2 into 3 plus 8. So that will be minus 6 plus 8 is equals to 2. So you get over here as if it is 3, it is going to be 2. So it is 3, 2. So you can see these are the points which we are going to get from the table. Accordingly, we will plot this on the graph paper. The maximum what you are needing is 6 and minus 5 on the y-axis. So we'll just take it that way. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You are going to get minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, not required. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So this is your y-axis, this is your x-axis. The scale is 2 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Accordingly, minus 1, minus 5. Minus 1, minus 5 will be a point over here. 0, minus 2. 0, minus 2 will be a point here. And 1, 1 will be a point over here. So that gives you the required first line in this manner. So this is your first line. The equation is 3x minus y minus 2 is equals to 0. The second one is the 1,6. So 1,6 is a point over here. 2,4. 2,4 will be a point over here. And 3,2. 3,2 will be a point over here. So this will be giving you the line which will be something like this. So I think 2,4 should be the point of intersection over here. So if I take the value over here as 2, the 6, it will be 4. Yeah, so it will be correct. So we are getting the right answer. So this point over here, that is intersection point, will be x is equals to 2, y is equals to 4. So that is solution set is equals to 2, 4. Okay, that is the 2, 4 is the solution set for sum number 9. So sum number 9, it is 2, 4. And they also ask you something more in this case. So first of all, you need to write down the coordinates of the intersection point and the area of the triangle formed by the lines and the x-axis. So you need to find out the area of this particular point, of this particular area. This is the area what you want. So in the area you can see that you can find out this distance. You can find out this distance over here. There is a base. And from here to here is, of course, it's 4. So we know that height is equals to 4 and base is given as पता नहीं exactly तो पता नहीं चलेगा कितना है, but you can find out from the thing over here. Now this is going to meet somewhere between 0.5 and this will be 3.5 के आसपास में. So somewhere it should be like 1, 2 and 3, around 3. So that will give you the area is equals to half into base into height is half into 3 into 4. So that will be equal to 6 square units. Now this is not sure. Depending upon what exactly is if this is not 0.5 and this is not 3.5, you get the different answer. So you can see in the answer what they are given over here in the back side, the answer is 6/2/3. That means this is not 3, this is something else. This is something else. You can just find out from the what you can do is that you can also use a scale. Scale से इसको measure करो, जो भी आंसर आएगा उसको divide by 2 करो, because 2 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So suppose that distance coming here is, let's say 7 centimeters. So it is 7 centimeters, you are going to take 3.5. Then the answer over here will be 3.5. Okay. So suppose this distance over here on if you take a ruler, okay, I'm going to take a scale and measure this thing, and I come to know that this distance over here from this point to this point is, let's say, 7 centimeters, then I'll take this as 3.5. So in that case, 7 upon 3, that will be 3.5. So it will be 3.5 over here, and accordingly I'll be getting the values over here. So this is how we are going to find out the area with the x-axis of the triangle. Okay, so that's about yeah, so whatever value you are getting over here will be the answer accordingly. So that was sum number 9. We now move on to sum number 11. Sum number 11. You need to solve graphically the equation. Okay, it's a very simple sum. So it is x plus 2y is equals to 4, and second equation is 3x minus 2y is equals to 4. So you have over here x is equals to minus 2y plus 4, and over here you'll be taking it as 2y is equals to minus, we'll take this on the side, so it will be equal to 3x minus 4. So y is equal to 3 upon 2x minus 4. So y is equals to 3 upon 2x minus 2. So this is the two equations. Here you are going to take the values of y. So we'll take the value of y to be as minus 1 first. So it will give you 6, so not a problem. So x will be equal to minus 2 into minus 1 plus 4 is 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. Next is y is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 2 into 0 plus 4 is equals to 4. And y is equals to 1. Then x is equals to minus 2 into 1 plus 4 is equals to minus 2 plus 4 is equals to 2. So we have over here x, y and x comma y, as x ka value was, okay, we'll take the y ka value as minus 1, 0 and 1. And the x ka value is 6, first case में 6, second case में 4 and 2. 4 and 2. So this gives you 6 comma minus 1, this 4 comma 0 and 2 comma 1. So that's the value of the first equation. Here we'll take the values of x to be as minus 2. So y will be equal to 3 upon 2 into minus 2 minus 1. So that will be minus 3 minus 2 is equals to minus 5. So it is minus 2 minus 5, so minus 2 comma minus 5. Here x is equals to 0, y is equals to 3 upon 2 into 0 minus 2 is equals to minus 2. So if it is 0, it will be minus 2, it is 0 comma minus 2. And finally, if x is equals to 2, then y is equals to 3 upon 2 into 2 minus 2, which will be equal to 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. So there is 2 and 1. So this 2 comma 1. Okay, 2 comma 1 common in both of them, so that would be the answer. Even before plotting we can get the answers if in such cases. X-axis, y-axis and x-axis, y and x. 2 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. You are having the maximum value as 6 and minus 5, again the same thing. So x ka value 6 tak hai, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay, so we have the 6 comma minus 1. So 6 comma minus 1 will be a point over here. 4 comma 0, 4 comma 0 will be here, and 2 comma 1 will be over here. So this gives you the required line over here as, okay, so this is the required line of x plus 2y is equals to 4. The next is minus 2 minus 5. Minus 2 minus 5 will be over here. 0 comma minus 2 will be here, and 2 comma 1 will be over here. So this gives you the line like this. So this is your line over here for 3x minus 2y is equals to 4. So the point of intersection over here. So let's see what are the questions they have asked for sum number 11. First thing is, scale we are taken 2 centimeter 1 unit. Write down the area of the triangle formed by the line and the x-axis. So graphically solve ko bola hi hai. So automatically x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1. Solution set is equals to 2 comma 1. Okay. And then because the set you are putting in curly brackets. And finally we need to find out the area with the write down the area of the triangle formed by the lines and the x-axis. So that is this area. We are talking about this area. Okay, this is the area we are talking about. So this thing distance we know it is around 3. This height is around 1. So area is equals to half into base into height. So it's half into base will be around 1, 2 and 2.5 and the height will be 1. So it will be 2.5 per month, so 1.25 square units. You can check up the answer. So approximate answer hai ye. So this is sum number 11 will be 4 upon 3. That's right, approximately the same thing. So 4 upon 3 square units. So that's the answer for sum number 11. We now move on to the last sum of the exercise, sum number 13. Okay, so let's go for the sum number 13 now. Find graphically the coordinates of the vertices of a triangle formed by the line y is equal to 0, x, y is equal to x, and 2x plus 3y is equal to 0, 10. Okay, so you need to find out the graphical coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. So here you have got 3 equations. The first equation is y is equal to 0. Now, when y is equal to 0 is given to you, it means the x-axis. Okay, y is equal to 0 is x-axis. Similarly, if x is equal to 0, okay, you can note it down. Y is equal to 0 means x-axis. And x is equal to 0 means y-axis. Why is it so? It is this way that y is equal to 0 अगर रहेगा तो उसका मतलब क्या है? अगर x and y और x comma y लिया तो for all values of x the y is 0. That means it will be 1, 0. So 1 comma 0, 2, 0. So it will be 2 comma 0. It will be minus 3, 0. So it will be minus 3 comma 0. तो अगर हम लोग plot करेंगे तो क्या होगा? It will be all the points will be like this. Okay, 1 comma 0. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 6, minus 5, minus 6. So you can see that if I plot these points, 1, 0, कहाँ पे आएगा? ये point. Okay. 2, 0, कहाँ पे आएगा? ये point. 3, minus 3, 0, कहाँ पे आएगा? ये point. So you can see that that is nothing but the x-axis. Okay. So always remember, you don't need to draw this thing at all. When y is equal to 0, it is the x-axis. So this is the first line. The first line is y is equal to 0. Then we see the next line. The next line is given as y is equal to x. So y is equal to x means क्या? Okay, अगर so what will be the equation? We can directly plot the points x, y will be, if this is 1, this is 1, this will be 1 comma 1. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0 comma 0. And this is minus 1, this is minus 1, this will be minus 1 comma minus 1. Okay, so it is simple. It will be 1 comma 1. Okay, 0 comma 0, minus 1 comma minus 1. So it will be a straight line like this. This is x is equals to y. Okay, now we see the next thing, and that is the third equation, that is 2x plus 3y is equals to 10. Now this is important. We have over here that 2x is equals to minus 3y plus 10. So x is equals to minus 3 upon 2y plus 10 upon 2. So x is equals to minus 3 upon 2y plus 5. Accordingly, you are going to take the values of, now you are going to take the values in such a way that this remains negative, so that ये subtract होगा. So we'll take x to be as plus 2, or we'll take it as 0 first, so 0. So it will be y is equals to, y is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 3 upon 2 into 0 plus 5 is equals to 5. So it will be, the value of this is 5, 0 and 5 comma 0. The second one over here will be y is equals to 2, then x is equals to minus 3 upon 2 into 2 plus 5. So that will be equal to minus 3 plus 5 is equals to 2. So that will be, if this is 2, this is 2, this is 2 comma 2. And finally will be that if y is equals to 4, x will be equal to minus 3 upon 2 into 4 plus 5. That will be equal to minus 6 plus 5 is equals to minus 1. So that will be minus 1 and 4, that will be minus 1 comma 4. So the points over here, if you plotted 5 comma 0, 5 comma 0, so it is 5 over here. So 5 comma 0 will be over here. 2 comma 2 will be over here. Okay, it will be on the same line, and minus 1 comma 4 will be over here. So now you know that it will be a line like this. Okay, so this equation is 2x plus 3y is equals to 10. What we need to find out is the area formed by these lines. So what is this line? 1 line, 2 line and 3 lines. Now first of all, graphically, find graphically the coordinates of the vertices. So coordinate of the vertices concept. So here first point. So this is A, B and C. So we got A is 0 comma 0, B will be 2 comma 2 and C will be 5 comma 0. So that is the coordinates of the points. One more thing, I am writing it over here on the graph paper, but graph paper पे कुछ नहीं लिखना है. I forgot to tell you this thing. ये जो भी आंसर है, you have to write on the right hand side, or you can say write over here. जहाँ पे जो लिखते हो उसके नीचे लिख दो answer as A is equal to this, B is equal to this here. On the graph paper, you are not supposed to write anything except the drawings and the equations and the scale. Okay, you are not supposed to write anything on the graph. Don't write anything on the graph. Okay. And when then the area, so area is equal to half into base into height. Now the base is nothing but 0 to 5, so it is 5, so it is half into 5 into height will be equal to 2, so into 2, so that is going to give you 5 square units. Okay, so that will be 5 square units as the answer for sum number 13, and that's the end of the exercise 19.3. So this is the end of the exercise 19.3, a very simple thing which you already done in the 8th standard also. So quite an easy one. So okay, we now continue with the next thing, that is distance formula, but in the next video.